At Illinois Tech, we celebrate what makes each of us special.
And while we're all unique, there's one thing we all have in common. We're all part of the same community.
And when it comes to safely maneuvering COVID-19,
we're all in this together.
Here are the top 5 things you can do to minimize the risks and transmission of COVID-19 for yourself and others on campus.
Number 1, keep your distance. On campus, in-person classes will be smaller this semester to accommodate for physical distancing.
Per state and city guidelines, no gathering should exceed 50 people or 25% of a space's occupancy capacity, whichever is less.
When approaching other people, walk to the right. And remember, keep 6 feet away from others whenever possible.
Look for signs that offer guidance. Some will state the maximum elevator capacity or which door to enter and which to exit.
Number 2, keep it clean.
Wash your hands frequently for 20 seconds using soap and water. Hand washing is more effective than hand sanitizer.
We're following public health guidelines to clean spaces and providing cleaning supplies for you to use.
3, keep it covered.
Wear a face covering at all times when you're in public, walking to and from a location, in a class or lab, or around other people.
Everyone is strongly encouraged to use their own face coverings, but masks will be made available to anyone who needs one.
Be sure to wear your face covering correctly. Cover your nose and mouth.
4, keep an eye on your health. It's important for you to self-monitor your health. If you don't feel well, stay at home and call a medical professional. Common symptoms of COVID-19 include fever, chills, shortness of breath, cough, sore throat, loss of taste or smell, muscle ache, and fatigue.
To assist you in self-monitoring, you can check your temperature at monitors that the university has placed throughout campus.
If you have symptoms of COVID-19, get tested. There are several on-campus locations open for testing. The university has also established a COVID-19 care clinic.
Number 5, keep informed.
For more information, visit iit.edu/fall2020 and iit.edu/COVID-19 and download the Rave Guardian app for campus safety alerts.